Hello and welcome. This is video presentation on case law presented by Patil Pandurang Shesharao, student of Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani. Presentation submitted to Dr. Wasim Khan, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani. The present case in front of the Supreme Court of India, and the title of the case is Tukaram S. Digole versus Manikrao Shivaji Kokate. The present case is regarding the section 116 of Representation of Peoples Act. In the support of this case, one document placed on the record by the appellant was a VHS cassette, which was the reproduction of the speeches of the election candidate, that is Tukaram S. Digole, obtained from the Election Commission of India and contained a true reproduction of the speeches delivered by the respondent and his supporter during the election campaign. In this case, there was in question a tribunal observed that though the appellant has placed on record the VHS cassette but had no failure to produce any evidence to show that the said cassette was the true reproduction of the original speeches. The tribunal did not accept the plea of the appellant that since the cassette is a public document as defined in the section 74 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. The question of law is regarding the public document need not to proved under the Indian Evidence Act. Court had detailed observation regarding the Evidence Act chapter 5 and the particular section 61, 62, 63, 64, 74 and 75. Court held that admittedly the appellant did not lead any evidence to prove that the cassette produced on record was a true reproduction of the original speeches by the respondent or his agent. On a careful consideration of the evidence and the circumstances of the case, we are conceived that the appellant has failed to prove his case that the respondent was guilty indulging corrupt practices. Thank you.